Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Hadrian Blaze Behera, and I will show you all my Nerf guns. And this is the whistle, but it shoots darts, but I have no darts. And this is the Mega Ultra Perfect. So special about this, you can shoot 3 darts, it goes super fast like this, but I have no darts. And the next one is this one. It's broken because I use it. And you can pull this and it will shoot darts. Look. But I have no dart right now. But this is the smallest one. The Gun X Shot. This have no darts, but it uses it as a spinner. Look. And then you can transform it into a gun like this. That's cool, huh? And then next is this one. It's the Hyperfire Dalik. And this how to use it. Oh, it's jam. Sorry. And this is the one. It says fast. This is so fast. Even can shoot the glass, it will break. See? And then this is the most specialist ever. The water gun. It can shoot like 50 miles away. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. But this one is next. It's jam again. Sorry guys.
Why it's jam?
I don't know, but I use it. And this is the earlier I show you guys, right? This is the earlier I show you. Look. See? X-Shot! And this is the biggest one. This is the Mega
Collider.
This is the Hyperfire Dalik Sniper or Rocket. Look at this. Can shoot. I have no batteries and I have no darts. Sorry guys. It still work. Huh?
Yes.
And then this is one. The most favorite of all. You make this as a telescope. And then fire. See, that's so cool, right? And the next one is Blast Pumper. You can have rocket or balls. You can take out this and put balls. If you want to, you can put it and put rocket like that. See? Told you. And this is the last one. My new police gun. Okay, see you later in the next video of Christmas. Bye! Like and subscribe to my channel, Hadrian Blaze Behera. Bye bye guys.